welcome everyone to another iOS video. In this video I'm going to discuss a feature that was introduced in iOS 8 called extensions. And in a nutshell, extensions basically means that apps can now talk to each other. So for this demonstration, and I'm going to pick 4 applications. One is a to-do type of app called Things. One is a password application that stores your password and login stuff. One is a journal application called Day One, and the other one's like a news application we call Flipboard, as we all know. So they're up on the top, as you can see on the screen: Things, One Password, Day One, and Flipboard. So let's get started. I'm going to pick Safari as an example to demonstrate this. So I'm going to launch Safari right now. I'm at the Google Accounts login page, and on the bottom center we have the share icon with the square box and an arrow pointing up. I'm going to tap on that. And the way extensions work is you have to scroll on the bottom row here. On the far right you have the more icon. You tap on that, and now on the lower section of the screen you can see I have a bunch of applications: Things, One Password, and whatnot. So I'm going to turn on One Password, click or tap on Done, and then now you can see right next to the more icon on the far right, now also have One Password. So now watch what happens. I'm going to tap on One Password, and then One Password comes up. It says give me your Touch ID. I give it, and it recognizes. Now I have this entry, this Google account entry, fed into the One Password application, so it recognizes the web page and it says, hey, would you like to log in using your YouTube account? And I'm going to say sure, and watch, bam, it's filled in. Now at this point, if I sign in, I can just go in and sign into my account. Now let me quickly go into One Password and show you what I'm talking about. So I have an entry for my YouTube account, and there it is right there. So I created this before using that feature, so there you have it. So that's One Password and extensions in Safari, and how to use that. Now let me quickly switch over to like the Dark Souls wiki page. Now I'm going to discuss the next application I'm going to discuss is Things. So I'm going to tap on Things, and up on the top I have my inbox. As you can see, I just have a list of games here, nothing more. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go into Safari. Again, I'm going to tap on the share icon in the bottom center, and then scroll again to the far right, tap on more, and this time I'm going to tap on the toggle switch for Add to Things. And now right next to One Password, as you can see at the bottom, I have Add to Things. If I tap on it, I'm going to make a new to-do list. I'm going to say read gaming, I can't type today, read gaming articles or something, and I'm gonna, on the top right corner, I'm gonna hit save. And now if I go back into my Things application, up on the top on the inbox, so I had my game list. Now if I scroll to the very bottom, there it is, read gaming articles. If I tap on it, there's my Wikipedia for Dark Souls, and I'm in business. Alright, so the next application is Day One, and I'm going to tap on Safari again, hit the share icon again at the bottom, but this time we're not going to go to the bottom row, we're going to go to the row above it where we have the Facebook icon and the Twitter icon, and it also has on the far right the more icon, right? So we're going to tap on that, and as you can see I have the Day One on the bottom. I'm going to toggle that switch, tap on Done, cancel. Now when I go into, I'm sorry, I didn't want to hit cancel. Now if I hit the share icon again, I have the Day One entry right next to Facebook there. So if I tap on Day One, it'll say, hey, would you like to post this to the Day One application? And I'm going to say sure, and I can name it whatever I want, but I'm just going to keep it simple, Wikipedia Dark Souls. I'm going to hit post, and now if I go into Day One, and I forgot to show you, but just take my word for it, this entry was not in there before. But if I go into my timeline, there it is right there, the entry for Dark Souls Wikipedia. Now the other thing I want to show you is Flipboard, and now with Flipboard we do the same thing. We tap on Safari and we go to the share icon, and up on the top again where we had the Day One, I'm going to tap more, and I'm going to toggle the switch for Flipboard, tap Done. Now I have next to Twitter, I have Flipboard. I can tap on Flipboard, and it will say, hey, would you like to post this to a magazine or something, like read later or whatever, and I can hit post, and I can put like whatever comment I want in there, and it will go ahead and post it. And next time you open up Flipboard, it will be there waiting for you. So I hope this video helped some of you out there. That's extensions for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.